Caroline Kangogo, the fugitive police officer wanted for committing murder, has reportedly committed suicide. She killed herself at her parents' home in Nyawa, Elgeyo Marakwet. This has been confirmed by Rift Valley Regional Police Commissioner George Natembeya. Caroline has made headlines for the past few days, being the main suspect of 2 murders. Police have been searching for her across the country, and she is believed to have traveled across 6 counties. She was last seen in Eldoret and Kericho. This comes as lawyer John Khaminwa had offered to represent her in court, asking her to surrender. She is said to have shot herself in her mother's bathroom. She arrived at her parents' home early Friday morning, and it is not clear whether she spoke to any of her family members before committing the act. She was discovered dead inside the open bathroom.